What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Honda Ridgeline. Today I'm checking the cabin filter on this guy. The cabin filters are located behind the glove box in these Hondas. We're going to need to lower it. With this Honda, it doesn't have the damper cord. A lot of times they have a damper cord right here that you have to unhook, okay, and hook back up when you're done. This one doesn't have it. I'm not sure if it was supposed to or not, but what you're going to do now is push the sides of the glove box in, get it past the stoppers here on both sides. Okay. And then you can lower the glove box. Now here is where the cabin filter is located, is in here. I'm gonna take this door off. I'm gonna push this in and then pull towards us on both sides. Okay. Just notice here it says airflow down. We're gonna need that if we replace the filters. Pull this guy out. Here's our cabin filter, and we are going to reuse the retainer. And all you do is pull the element out, okay? And a lot of times on the element it'll have the airflow direction, so when you get your new filter, just make sure you install it in the holder the correct way, okay? Still don't see the damper cord. I don't know where this one was supposed to have it or not, but it doesn't. When you get your new filter all put back together, just slide it in here. It just locks in just like that. Close the door. You're all done. It has the cord. Hook the cord back up. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like. Leave me a comment.